Hi, this is Karen from 15 West Homes, and today I'm at Birchwood at Brambleton, a 55 and over active adult community in the heart of Brambleton in Loudoun County. You'll see a lot of construction around here. There were initially 3 builders, Van Meter, Winchester, and Miller & Smith. Miller & Smith has sold out, but Winchester and Van Meter are still building. Van Meter has many styles of homes, including condos, what they call lifts, which are elevator townhomes, single family homes, and this, which is a less traditional townhome. It is attached. My client bought this particular end unit. It is a Bernstein model, one of the towns, 2-car front load garage. As you can see, there is a row of 4 or 5 of them. These have already been moved into over here. But let's go inside and take a peek. These are 2-level townhomes, so no basement. They have some beautiful doors. My client has not settled on this yet. Settlement is next week. We just did the final inspection. I was here with the inspector, and we settle in a week. So these are engineered hardwood floors, oak staircase, nice little foyer entry here. Again, this is the Bernstein model. A nice great room, living room, dining room combination. Lots of windows. And my client has added plenty of recessed lighting as well. And then the highlight, of course, the gourmet kitchen. She spared no expense, extended the island, upgraded the cabinetry, added the hood, and upgraded stainless steel appliance package. Beautiful quartz countertops. This is called Babylon. It's sort of a dark gray, but it goes really well with the brushed stainless appliances, a really cool drop-in sink or undermount sink, built-in microwave, and then double wall oven. So just a beautiful kitchen. The coolest feature of the home, I think, is the option to do the barn door between the mudroom coming in from the garage and the kitchen. So she had this stain to match the floors. You can have it painted white. And then of course in here we've got a little laundry room, mudroom with some cabinetry in there as well. And then upstairs there's a very popular feature. It's called a retreat, which is like a loft, sort of an upstairs family room. Great for watching TV, playing video games, setting up a home office setup. There are no kids in this community, no kids under 18, so otherwise it would make for a great work from home, study from home space in this virtual learning environment we find ourselves in. But here is the retreat, and my client added the option for a little balcony off of the retreat space. But you can put a big sectional sofa, some desks, however you choose to use it. And then emptying out from this center area of the retreat loft are 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, and 3. And one has its own bathroom, the other shares a Jack and Jill bathroom. So anyway, if you're interested in Birchwood or any other new construction, please give me a holler.